Santa Cruz County's iconic North Coast is in every essence of the word, alive. People travel from every corner of the globe just to catch a glimpse of the views, the wildlife, and of course, to explore the unique beaches and coastal marine terraces. However, access to this region can be challenging. To provide a better connection to this area, the Santa Cruz County Regional Transportation Commission is developing the North Coast Rail Trail, creating bicycle and pedestrian access from the city of Santa Cruz to Davenport. Imagine this, a scenic 7.5-mile, multi-use paved trail running adjacent to the rail corridor you see before you. Locals and visitors of all ages and abilities will be able to experience the splendor of this region like never before. Now, let's take a look at the big picture here. The North Coast Rail Trail is one segment of Santa Cruz County's Coastal Rail Trail that is under development. That entire trail is planned to run parallel to the Santa Cruz County coastline, primarily along the 32-mile Santa Cruz Branch rail line right-of-way adjacent to the tracks, preserving the options for public transit and recreational rail services along the coast. The Coastal Rail Trail is the spine of the larger Monterey Bay Sanctuary Scenic Trail Network. That network was planned with a vision in mind to foster appreciation for the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. Plus, that network is a whopping 50 miles of planned coastal trails, connecting the California coast from the San Mateo County line in the north to the Monterey County line in the south. And the big picture gets even bigger here because the Monterey Bay Sanctuary Scenic Trail Network is also part of the 1,200-mile California Coastal Trail that is planned to extend from Oregon to Mexico. The North Coast Rail Trail segment of this network will be a premier destination for everyone to experience a region of California that is full of rich cultural history. From the indigenous people who first settled here to the families that farmed the land for generations, and of course, to the railroad industry that helped shape the land and economy of the North Coast. Visitors will have a fantastic opportunity to discover the area and learn about its history. Along the entire trail, educational interpretive panels will captivate a traveling audience with fun facts about the natural, agricultural, and cultural histories that make this area special. The state and federal property that surrounds the trail is home to an ecosystem that is abundant with wildlife and includes over 700 acres of rich farmland that is leased to local farmers. Families have grown crops like Brussels sprouts, artichokes, and strawberries in this area for generations. In fact, there is quite a reputation for agriculture along the north coast of Santa Cruz County. Look no farther than the 6,000 acres of historic agricultural land that is now the Catani Coast Dairies unit of the California Coastal National Monument. Nearly 27 miles of trails are being planned for this newly acquired open space, thereby offering more recreational opportunities for hikers, mountain bikers, horseback riders, and nature enthusiasts. An overcrossing of Highway 1 for pedestrians and bicyclists is being proposed to connect the North Coast Rail Trail to this stunning open space. And if 27 miles of nature trails are not enough, then please direct your attention over here to the popular California State Park, Wilder Ranch. Wilder Ranch covers approximately 7,000 acres with 32 miles of hiking, biking, and equestrian trails that zigzag through coastal terraces and valleys. And of course, there are breathtaking views of the California Coastal National Monument and the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary, both located right off the coast. The North Coast Rail Trail will provide new and easy access to all of these remarkable areas. Visitors from all over the world will have one of the best opportunities to connect with the environment by gazing out across the horizon, stepping out into undeveloped pocket beaches, and listening to the symphony of the Pacific Ocean. So, what does the North Coast Rail Trail project include, and where does it stand today? In addition to 7.5 miles of ADA accessible trail being developed, the North Coast Rail Trail includes 2 new parking lots and amenities at Davenport Beach and Yellowbank Panther Beach.
Improvements also include a connection from Bonnie Doon Beach parking lot to the trail.
The trail will also provide a new pedestrian crossing of Highway 1 in Davenport, supporting access to and from the trail directly from the town of Davenport. These additions and improvements will encourage visitors to experience car-free access to the numerous beaches and recreational facilities along the coast. Work on developing the North Coast Trail is moving along at a steady pace. The project was environmentally cleared in early 2021. Final design and pre-construction activities are scheduled to also be completed in 2021, and the project will be ready for construction in 2022, pending funding availability. So far, the project has received funding from Measure D, the Federal Lands Access Program,
The Land Trust of Santa Cruz County,
and the California Coastal Conservancy. Once completed, we invite you to grab your bike or your walking shoes and head to the North Coast and experience all of the recreational amenities the trail has to offer for yourself. Come on out and take advantage of this remarkable resource for active transportation, sunny recreation, environmental appreciation, and cultural education along the iconic Santa Cruz County North Coast.